This demo is focused on creating an agent not present web link, which means the person has asked you to send them a link so they can pay later. This demo doesn't allow for telephone pairing or agent present web links due to complications with PCI compliance. To get started, click on the Collect Card by Web Link agent list to begin. You will now see multiple input boxes which are required by the payment provider. The options can range quite significantly, but a lot of them generally follow the same pattern. The customer's first name, last name, address and a reference number are some of the commonly required details from most payment providers. Please note this page is highly customizable and you don't necessarily need it if you are passing into the query string from your CRM, as that is also a supported option. If something you want is not supported, it can be added on request. Next, enter the payment amount in the fields Amount and Verify Amount. Enter a description for the payment in the field Description, and then enter a message to the customer if required in the field Customer Message. You will now see a link. Please send this to the customer. As this is a demo, please head over to the link in a separate browser tab so we can capture the details. Now you're on the customer link page, you should see a very similar design to the agent side. In here you'll need to enter all of the customer details. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to enter test into most of the boxes and Santa1 as the postcode, as this is an accepted postcode. For the card number, please enter 492900000006. This is a test card number for Atmoso, who are this portal's payment provider. Now enter the expiry date of 0128 and then enter the CVV of 123. This is the number on the back of the card. You should now see that everything has been ticked, meaning validation has been successful. Now click the Send button. Once you have submitted the payment, the portal will redirect you to the customer's bank's 3D secure page. This will vary depending on the customer's bank, but the general pattern should be you are on a page with a number input or a selection box for sending a text or verifying by app. In this case, we just need you to type the word challenge in lowercase and press next. You should now be on a results page where it will give you the information about the payment result. There will always be a big header at the top that tells you the status. This will be given either by the payment provider, or if one is not in place, we will have a default message in there. This part will normally tell you if the payment was successful, the customer did not have enough funds, or it was declined. You can customize what you want to display here based on what the provider gives back. Some providers give you a lot of information about the transaction, some only give you the required amount to identify the payment and expect you to use their portal. Now the customer has paid, you should be able to see this in the portal. If you head over to your admin link, which is normally your RevoPCI domain followed by /admin, you will see that the payment we just did has a status of paid with a payment reference. This view exists for the purposes of showing you where each of your payments are. You can identify each payment by pressing Show Details to see what the agent entered in. Please note, payments do have a customizable expiry time.